In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create automated reminders in Monday.com so you never miss a deadline again. Whether you're managing client projects, internal tasks, or team deliverables, automated reminders can save you hours of follow-ups and make your workflow completely hands-free. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up date-based reminder automations in just a few clicks. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com tutorials. Let's get started. First, head over to Monday.com and log into your account. Once you're inside your workspace, open the specific board where you want to create automated reminders. This could be a project board, a task tracker, a content calendar, or any workflow where deadlines matter. Automations are set up per board, so make sure you're in the correct one before moving forward. Next, we need to ensure your board has a date column. Automated reminders in Monday.com rely on a date trigger, so this step is essential. Look across your columns for something like a due date column. If you already have one, you're good to go. If not, click on the plus icon that says Add Column, choose the date column type, and give it a clear name, such as due date or deadline. Once added, you can start assigning dates to your tasks, which will later trigger the reminders. Now that your date column is ready, go to the top right corner of your board and click on the Automate button. This opens the Automation Center. Here you'll see a wide range of automation recipes that Monday.com provides. These recipes are pre-built workflows that you can customize without needing any coding experience. In the search bar, you can type in the word Reminder, or you can browse through the date-related automation options. You'll typically see recipes like when date arrives, notify someone, or X days before date, send reminder to assignee. These are exactly what we need for automated reminders. Choose the recipe that best fits your workflow. For example, if you want someone notified on the exact due date, select the when date arrives, notify someone option. If you prefer a heads up before the deadline, choose the option that says something like 1 day before date, notify someone. Once you've selected your preferred recipe, click Add to Board. Now it's time to customize the automation. First, select the date column that should trigger the reminder. This will usually be your due date column. Next, choose who should receive the notification. You can select the task assignee, a specific team member, multiple people, or even yourself. After that, set the timing. If you chose a recipe that allows flexibility, you can define how many days before the date the reminder should be sent. For example, you might set it to 1 day before, 2 days before, or even a week in advance depending on how your team operates. You can also customize the notification message in some recipes. Make it clear and actionable, such as, Reminder, this task is due tomorrow. Please review and update the status. Clear messaging ensures your team knows exactly what action to take. Once everything looks good, click Save to activate the automation. That's it. Your automated reminder is now live. From this point forward, whenever a date reaches the condition you set, Monday.com will automatically send out the notification without you having to do anything manually. To test it, you can assign a near-future date to a task and wait for the reminder to trigger. This helps confirm everything is working exactly as expected. Automated reminders are incredibly powerful because they reduce manual follow-ups, improve accountability, and keep projects moving on time. Instead of chasing team members for updates, the system does the reminding for you. And that's how you create automated reminders in Monday.com step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tips, automation guides, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.